Today we will try to know what can be the better approach to our life. Everyone for sure is trying for a better life. A student trying to score more marks, a professional trying to get more salary, a businessman wants to make more profit, governments want to continue, religious people they want more and more followers, and all YouTube channels they want more and more likes and subscribers. But sometimes we find our approach may go wrong when we see the general trend. What happens? A student who is not trying for understanding a better approach, trying for marks. A professional not honing his skills and trying to get more salary. A businessman not making his product more qualitative and he wants more profit. The best organizations, multinationals, if you see, they have made billions not just by selling an inferior product, they always maintain their qualities. Rolls-Royce, Mercedes, Toyota, you see their cars, they are very expensive. But people who give preference to quality, they go for them and they only go for them. Same thing is there in every case. If as a student, what is your quality? You need to have better understanding of the things which you are studying rather than mugging up the things. Same way, as a professional, if anyone is not trying to update, it is 100% sure rather than getting more salary, maybe he can struggle for a job. And most of the common people, they remain common because they have a common approach. People, 5% of people, those who have amassed a lot of wealth of the whole world, they have their different approach. They have a mastermind to connect with the people who are trying for quality. Their approach is qualitative. They never go for quantity. They go for quality. Same way, they try to go extra mile. You see a big businessman who is doing well, big corporations who are beating the cutthroat competitions, they go extra mile. They never rest. Nowadays, with online platforms, they are available to their customers 24/7. You see the case of Amazon, they are available to you at midnight, early in the morning, late hours, whenever you are free. That is why Amazon has got so much of profit. Whenever you see a person doing well, you take for granted he is going extra mile. He has a different approach, qualitative approach. Go for that. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day. Enjoy yourself. May God bless us all.